Yes, we don't come back. And today we get a very, very, very special person. For those of you who feel say to bleach, now be your own thing. You're going to need to gum your eye to this television set because right now we go tell you the reasons why they say you need to appreciate black. Black is beautiful. We are Africans, we are one Nigeria, and we did beautiful. Whether we did yellow, the original yellow, or the black, will be the permanent black. And we get Hawa for inside the building, will be model, and she don't win one beauty pageant in recent time.
Hello, 2015.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm great.
No worries. Speak pidgin. In Nigeria.
Okay, I did fine. Yeah.
So how I want to actually ask you because the day of that pageant I did there and I see everything will happen. How the whole everything do you for body? Because I know I actually don't do beauty pageant before and I know waiting it be easy at all. So waiting they go through your mind at that time because you don't know say you go win. Waiting be the things where they rehearse for your head say waiting go happen.
The only thing within my mind that time you say Hawa, just walk where. Hawa, God is with you. My mom's always telling me say just put God first and everything will be okay. So since Hawa, just do it. You can do it.
Okay, so what do you study really?
Study.
She still in school.
Yeah.
You still in school. What do you study?
Accounting.
Accounting.
Yes,
Oh,
beauty and brains.
Yeah, beauty and brains. At least people know say now if you day school, you still fit like look up to some other things, right? Yes. So what do you aspire to be aside from
being a model? Well, a great banker.
Okay.
Yeah, to be just
top of your career.
Top of my career.
This your voice way actually you go need to up for me.
You know, say models know they too talk again. Okay, how where you come from?
From Borno State.
Borno State.
Yes.
Okay, I go still like I go speak as I say I do something.
Wait! Mo just let her please.
Don't shame.
Please. Yeah, go on.
All right, Hawa. Kisan ke not ce daga arewa. Mutane yanzu da suke ganin kin shigo modeling, kin zama model yanzu. Kin san a can ba a cewa okay ki je ki model za su ga kamar irin karuwanci ne ko me. Amma yanzu kin shiga modeling. An baki a gida ko kuma mutane a gida sun yi accepting ɗinki.
All right, no, wait, before you answer, you need to break them down.
Okay,
because now one Nigeria.
Yes,
you need to break them down.
Yeah, break them down.
I'm not speaking Yeah, break them down.
Okay, you know what the thing they sit people, what I ask her be say, as a northern and where she be, you know, say for north, even to wear trouser or because when I come to Lagos too, I know if you wear trouser and all that, if they see you with weave-on or they don't count you as street girl.
Okay.
And now you take them to the extreme, you don't become model. You know, say modeling they're different from a normal girl, the average girl. Waiting be the because from Borno State.
Yeah.
That's back. I mean back. So waiting the people around you because you don't come win now. Nobody say you just try and fail. Therefore say, oh no, why you go? But now you don't come win. For house, how do they accept you?
We won't speak a language that time before we see.
No, she not going to speak a language because I want Nigeria. People not going to understand that.
Okay, now, for us, everybody they okay with that because since we are this small, my daddy used to call me the African Queen. So I'll be like put on my mom's heels and be walking around, calling me names, and I would be so happy that time.
So finally,
yes, and finally now I'm
a queen.
A queen.
So make I ask you this particular question. Before you decide to go, which level you did for school?
100.
100 level.
Yes, I just started.
Okay, you just start now.
Yes.
All right. Before you decide to go into modeling, now you don't hear anything. You don't do your research about pageant and everything because plenty of people they come outside talk say pageantry for inside Nigeria, say some kind mago day for inside that. I even know say you go don't get reports from this pair look where they come me to say you are not supposed to be the winner. Another person supposed to win. How you handle all these comments then what people they give you?
Well, the best is just to, like, don't mind them. Just faith. At least you don't win. Now God give you, no be anybody.
You're going to need to speak up.
Now God give you, no be anybody give you. So you have to just don't mind them. Don't mind what they say. Just do your own thing and leave the rest.
So pageantry for inside Nigeria, you feel say now good industry or they need to do something about it?
Yeah, they need to do something about it because the whites are far
ahead
of us.
So we just got to walk up and do something.
Why you not come here with your crown? Excuse me.
Or at least your son. At least
your dress come. What's happened?
Well, we think saying that tomorrow they go shop TV.
Oh.
Okay, this is a recorded show.
Oh. All right, thanks about say you actually come, and we wish you all the best in your career. But make sure so you follow your book, because see Davido now, he gets money, he gets everything, but he decides to go back to school. So we want to make we bring you back here, and you tell us, say, yes, I don't the model for Vogue magazine and everything, but I don't get my certificate.
Sure. My pali.
You understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
All right. Okay, we go on small break.
Okay.
When we come back, we shall continue with the second guest. Will they come back?
My name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party, oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And now they watch Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo, make all these guests they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Monoworo, Majek Aniko, Daedro.
All right, my name na Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now so that they call me. When they watch Talk, you know now, people like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. That, oh yeah, keep watching Talk now.
Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwaji and I talk now they watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
You have come back. Welcome to Talk. I'm not going to waste time this time around. I just want to enter my cook. Let me land myself.
You know they like waste time, and we appreciate them. So okay, drop.
Thank you. Old school things. How on I see fashion of 80s and fashion of today? You know, say then they get some kind fine clothes, then they wear that time. To them now fine gang clothes. Today too we get our own gang clothes. But how on I take fit see then and now? Fashion of 80s and fashion of this century.
For me, just to talk inside, I don't see any difference, because fashion of the 80s
on the sure?
Because, excuse me, my sister, please, excuse me. Because fashion of the 80s all they enter inside the new generation now, but they funkinize them in a way. Like you will see palazzo. People don't they wear palazzo now.
Yeah.
They don't they wear palazzo.
That time they call them fella trouser.
Fella trouser. People they wear palazzo now. They come out, they knock them very well. People they go with the hair
and natural curls.
And they get them very well. Then they still natural hair as spirikoko. But now, you don't need to be spiritual for you to carry natural hair.
In short now, like, the main thing, everybody is struggle to fit, carry the natural hair.
I'm going natural.
I'm going natural.
Even Aquila shoes. I don't say Aquila shoes.
But see, I wear one.
See,
it's just that they can't cover them. But now still Aquila.
Thank you. They can't give a leopard skin and everything. Aquila shoes. I see my mom see pictures of those times. Even this your dress, Betiana, is vintage.
Yes.
Now old school.
Even now, waiting they call them Oleku.
Yes.
It's old school. My mama rock and well.
So I just feel say the thing they come back again.
So we don't get differentiation from 80s and now.
Difference day. You go actually see the difference, but the thing we say they don't funkinize them in the way we say even you make them easier for you to wear without looking back.
So I want to hear on our opinion outside. Those of you where they watch us. When I sharply enter a Talk Wazobia, tell me how when I take see dressing of 80s and dressing of now. As we and Kumbi, but they're not talking at the same thing.
I don't understand.
Now what's it? Not when I talk.
Now me and we talk, but Tana no talk because she go fire you back.
No, but Tana, sorry. Oh, yeah, but I am sorry. Please forgive me.
I agree.
So,
yeah, tell them outside.
Oh yeah, I beg. I'm not sharply entertain whether not things at the same thing or not be the same thing. When I give us no contribution on Talk and on top Facebook where we did. Better now. What's our Facebook address again?
Talk-Wazobia TV.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, so we won't enter the Gengen one. The old school video of the day.
Oh yeah,
favorite part.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, nah. Oh yeah. Let go. Oh yeah.
Our video.
Play the video. DJ. Play.
Saying this? Understand? Listen to me a little.
At this time,
Style Plus.
When I said to you that I never want to love another woman, girl, it was true. So true, I meant to marry you. When I did, I was the one to take care of you. For you, now you say you want to leave me, girl. When around you, I have built my world. Whatever you heard about me, baby, it's definitely crazy. Please give me one chance to show. Oh, for me, oh, my body, let me go. Oh, look for me, Lord, my baby. My chef, me say that I like. Do not see me, oh, yeah. Oh, look for me, oh, baby. Oh, look for me, oh, my body, let me go. Another woman no one can do, but you, I pause my heart for you. When you come home, you be the one to make it move. Only you. But before you finally leave me, girl, think about what you do to my world. Whatever you do to hurt me, baby, it's gonna drive me crazy. Please give me one chance to show. My body, let me don't make me cry. Oh, baby, my chef, me say that I like. Do what me, stay girl. Oh, baby, my body, let me go. I'm calling you, girl. My chef, me say that I like. Do what me, stay with me. Be the one to make me smile. You could be the only one to make me want to have a child. You could be the one I take on a date down the aisle and be the first and the last girl to become my bride. You could be the one to make a fool of me, or you could be the one to be confusing me, or you could be the girl in the world that I know through the rough times gonna stay true to me. You could be my Juliet. I mean I have his looks, but I will still be your Romeo. You could be my princess. I'll be a charming prince at the service of only you. That's why I never want to love another woman. That's why I know I'll never love another woman. That's why I can never love another woman, that's why. That's why when I think about you leaving, I find myself grieving. Though it seems deceiving, I'm still believing. Girl, you stay with me forever. And I'll remain humbly kneeling while your heart is healing. Teardrops revealing the way that I'm feeling, girl. This song, right?
Baby,
take our time to the love.
Me sílẹ̀ láíláí, dúró tì mí o, olúfúnmi o.
Olúfúnmi o, má pa mí lẹ́kún o.
Olúfúnmi lọ́la, má ṣe fi mí sílẹ̀ láíláí, dúró tì mí o. Olúfúnmi o. Má dúró, baby mi.
Okay, now let's do competition now within us. Now we not say this time.
No, we know that.
No, Queen B. No, ladies and gentlemen, no gentlemen yet, but ladies, please let us take it slowly.
Okay.
Now the time where Sty Plus actually come out with the song. Plenty of us with the dream of. You could be my Juliet, and I will. I'll still be your Romeo. You could be my princess.
I'll be the charming prince. I'll be the service of only you, and
that's why I can never love another woman.
That's why I can never love another woman. That's why
I can never love another woman.
Now leave that one, you know.
All right. So I'm going to just try ourselves now.
What?
So if we sing the first stanza.
As 12 una sabi sing, I'm gonna sing am again. Na chorus we sabi.
But can we
sing and rap it?
Okay, now we go sing the chorus.
Okay, apart from singing, so I know all of us now not sing them. But let's take it back to the time where this song actually played. Wait till they run through your mind when the song come aside. As ladies, because definitely, we get Skooky,
Sheffy,
Skooky, not be Skooky. What
be Sheffield?
What be the Sheffy,
Tunde, and
oh, the last name,
we go back to banking.
In name, Sha.
In name, Sha.
The lead, that the lead now. What be name? Now the name with the look for now.
Yeah.
I get
no, the middle guy name now.
That guy will do the rap. You could be my princess. I get one mad crush.
Zil.
Yes. Zil is the black one.
Yes.
Tunde is the one where they do the rap.
Yes.
I get one mad crush on that guy.
Everybody crush.
Yes. Zil. That black one.
Yeah, but so many people can't like Sheffy too.
I don't say people don't like Sheffy. I just say Zil.
Because in clean cut.
Yes.
Shipping things.
Why they shine so
where those guys stay?
We get a lot of crush.
You know when they sing 4 years don't waka, we see they carry go, nobody waka, nobody go solo. Baba God you, now your grace you, now I grace you, I do Peru. We all day very happy. Yeah. We dey very happy. Say they come outside talk say 4 years don't waka, but we see they carry go and they praise Baba God there. But after 4 years don't waka, all of them go their separate ways.
End now, so end.
Yes, to me, what I feel, Nigeria, Lagos now and New York.
Yes, of course.
For anything where you want to sell, for brand where you want move. I don't know why they moved to Abuja. Yeah. Maybe the person who signed them, they Abuja. They're going to Abuja. Okay, maybe sometimes they invite them come do show for Lagos. Flights change time. Crowd did already they wait, and then they'll come. It dropped their brand down. To me, I feel saying I think bring their brand down with that my own parts. I just feel say okay, maybe sometimes now two go come there around, one no go there around because people don't already strategize what they want to do their life. So maybe I just
if it actually be, but we look forward to them coming back. Destiny Child did it, so you too can do it.
Game time.
Game time, talk the talk and do the do. Time for us to talk the talk.
Meanwhile, waiting I don't know, besides actually they win Amaka for the game of Ayewe with the
It's not possible. We are
Amaka, you always argue. You know they ever
leave Amaka.
Why?
Let us talk the talk and do the do right now.
Are they winning you, Amaka?
Game
but Amaka might see
calls to concede defeat.
Okay, Auntie Betty.
Pacha,
you have win.
Do game. Okay. Okay. After this game, we'll go quickly go on break. Maybe we'll fast with the game.
Okay. So now the hard game I won't give her. As soon as I say, I must play game by fire by force.
No, share the game because we go play in between ourselves. Share them to everybody. Then we ask questions
just pick one person because of
Okay, so this person, a linguist, now the first African Anglican bishop in Nigeria, and now he translate the Bible and the Anglican Book of Common Prayer to Yoruba language. Who in B?
Adechi.
Chima Adechi. It's not Chino, no.
Not Chino.
This
Naman.
Yes, Naman.
Give us a middle name.
I don't forgive you.
Give us how we resemble.
A middle name is Samuel.
Jay Carter.
Give us this.
Okay, one more.
Let me give you one more.
Okay, one more. Of the game.
Okay, one more. Sorry, ma.
The first and only Prime Minister of Nigeria, and the one to whom the British handed over Nigeria as an independent sovereign nation in 1960.
Tafawa Balewa.
We are. And Amaka is not intelligent. Let us go on the break anyway. You know what, team? Because we can go on the break. I beg you cannot mind my cough. Now the weather and my cough.
I mind the cough. You don't disturb me.
Please don't mind the cough. I beg you. All right. After this break, we will come back to our musical review. Don't go anywhere.
We'll be right back.
right, from there, we need to play, show you our old school picture again, where we ask, may you guess. And time go reach for, we go need to guess some. Yes.
No, we don't need to
show us the picture again. Who is this person?
We don't get anybody, we don't tell us.
With a ding ear.
Who is this person? All right, while we wait to read your message, make we just do well to read now. Sharp. Producer, give us where. Throw away. This is too small. I can't see this. Amaka, can you hear this one?
Nah, Amaka.
Now my humble self and I, so what's in that thing?
Is this
styled by
skirt,
Voe?
right?
Na Voe do wonders.
Voe
things. Voe carry everything, ton for my body. You know, say the first one she put
okay, because you they like to go yaba left. For Amaka, I said we, but for me, I said true we.
Amaka, what you wear first?
She give me gown, she give me
not say she give me, you go say I wear.
No, Voe style me.
Wetin you wear?
What are you wearing?
Okay. All right, so we appreciate.
Yes, wearing.
You go wear them?
Yes, because I wear them.
Betiana, we go wear this cloth.
I don't know what that size they do under.
All right. Me too.
So
because
you
I
don't
know
wear tight under.
No.
Yeah, I know say even me when I wear short skirt, I always wear tight. And
Thank you.
All of them, they always critique me, say, don't try that again. But I don't know, the tight
Leave
is
some
there.
skin is available.
Okay, this is...
For me, the tight to the dark. She for wear like panty holes.
Yes, panty holes.
Yeah,
oh,
lighter,
time don't actually go. Time don't actually go. But that Peking picture we wanna see, it is... Yes, Amaka now the Peking picture. Show us the Peking picture again. May they see him and see the new Tony head person.
Before meets
Before.
now.
This is before. Amaka before and Amaka after. Yeah. And if you get time, we'll go find you on top Twitter. Oh, yeah, time garbage for us to come out. My name is Joliment Uvi Ehigamusa. We'll go meet you now. Tomorrow will be our Friday. Comedy Friday.
Yes, my name is Betiana Unweli. Una well done. No, bye yo.
Now me be star of today. Amaka Okudiafo.
All right, so the lady in red, Queen B or Balu.
No, wait, we go talk am gently now. They say we always watch talk am. And as we they always they talk.
So talk, no be bad thing. But make you know wetin you dey talk about.
You.
Bra!
No be panther.